In this video, we will be talking about the review results feature, which is a way that you can manually edit scores and payouts and points. So we'll get started here, and we're logged into our demo account. We will go to results, review results, and we'll start off in our March rodeo. We already have some results in this bull riding event, and we see all of the fields here that are input fields. These are places where we can make manual edits. Now, keep in mind what I said there, manual edits, so you are overriding what was calculated in results, enter results, and any field that you see, you can make a change, and that is whatever you input in that field will be saved. So you can't override total money, total ground money, total points, but by changing the money numbers or the points numbers, it will update the totals. So let's just go to money here and let's make this an even 125. And we're also going to change the points to 16 just so we can see what that does. So we're only going to change this one entry, and then we submit results, and it just overwrites again what was calculated in results, enter results. So it changed the 124.33 to 125, it changed the 15 to 16. So these are now what is included in the results for this rodeo and what would be carried forward to standings or any other reports. So we will do the same thing now. We'll go to the April rodeo, and we're in the same event. And here we see we have a few more fields here. So we have the go one money, ground money, points. We have the go to score, money, ground money, points. And if we scroll over, we have the average. And because of there's so many columns in here, you will have to scroll back and forth a bit. But you can see how it has the totals over here. You do have the ability to add notes. So typically that would be when you make a manual change, you may put a note in there explaining what the change was or why the change was made. So we're going to do an edit. Let's go down here. So we have an entry. There were $0 calculated in Go 1, 6 points, $0 calculated in Go 2, 7 points, and $0 calculated 12 points in the average. So let's just change this number to 13, which is the average points. And we will scroll over, submit results. Now as we scroll back down to that entry and scroll over, the points have changed to 13. The total points have now updated, so it's 13 plus 7 plus 6, which is 26. So you can change whatever you need to change for whatever reason you need to change it. But keep in mind that if you go to results, enter results, and submit the scores, it will recalculate according to your payout formulas and points formulas. And if you had a manual edit in here, it will overwrite it. So you should only do this when you are done with all of your results calculations. And this should be the last thing you do before you set a rodeo as official so that it is shown as official on the member side and included in the season standings.